So one of the things that really struck me as odd about the natural food industry over the past 2 decades is there's been a recognition that ketchup is kind of this category that's been full of high fructose corn syrup and all sorts of sweeteners, and no company's been able to solve this problem. No company's been able to make a ketchup that is organic, unsweetened, and tastes great. A couple have tried and failed, so I was really concerned that no one had solved for this. Well, we introduced our regular ketchup a few months ago, and it's just flown off the shelves because it solves for this problem. It's organic, unsweetened, and it tastes great. So this is a phenomenal product, and yet, every once in a while, I want something a little bit spicier than my regular ketchup. I'm not a sriracha guy, but I wanted something sort of between regular ketchup and sriracha that I could put on my omelets or my scrambled eggs or whatever else I want to use them for. So we came up with a spicy ketchup, and it is fantastic. It tastes great. I think kids will love it, moms will love it. Look, moms love the regular ketchup because it's a game changer. Now they don't have to be concerned about the product that they're putting on their burgers or whatever it is that they're serving their kids. They're dipping their sweet potato fries in. So we now have the regular ketchup and the spicy ketchup, and the spicy has just a little bit of a kick to it, which I think even kids are going to appreciate.